Hey guys,
Hey
it's
guys.
Ethan and Talia, and we're gonna be reacting to new fidget toys that we got. So let's get into the video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on that notification bell.
Notification bell. He doesn't know how to speak.
I don't care.
What is this? Call him
And
through that
let's
you.
go
Okay.
back with the video. So first up, we have this wooden thing where you crumble it up in the ball, and let's see how weird this toy can get.
Oh, wrong way.
Oh, it's pretty good. So as you see here, you just put it on the ends and it will flip every single pad. You might have to shake it a bit if it's stuck. So on with the second toy.
So, I have squishies as my fidget toys. But there's this panda I got from Michael's. It's not very squishy. I think it's more like a stress ball. But I like it anyway. And if you want to get these, they're only $1. Your turn.
So next we have this plastic dinosaur, and I guess they mean you have to hold it by this because the arms won't stand.
They can't even see.
So let's put this in front of the camera.
Here, just do it on my phone.
So that's how you basically do it. It's like a finger toy where you like hold it with your hand and you go around with it. So on to the next one.
Oh, wait, let me just show you the panda on my phone so you can see what it looks like. So yeah. So the next one is this like lemon ice cream sandwich thing, and it's a squishy as well. You can also get this at Michael's. And it's really good for relieving stress, and yeah. So the last thing that we have today is this other squishy, and it's a peach. It's not eye bloom, and it's from Indigo. So
Pretty slow rising.
So yeah.
So now we're gonna have our toys all mixed up with them. So it's like, I guess then we can do that and just like, I don't know, like, so it's like, set this up. So here we go.
What are you doing?
And the
Oh God.
panda
No.
blood.
No.
Okay.
We could go like this. Wait, we could go like this. And
so we're gonna add all the toys together. Yeah, okay, let's put the peach right there.
Ah! Oh, by the way, you can get the peach at Indigo.
So here we go. Now let's put the
Indigo
dinosaur.
kids.
Let's make him eating the peach.
Ah!
I can't get it close enough.
That's fine. We're good. Okay, smash.
Hope you like this video. Make sure to smash that like button.
Subscribe to my channel at Talia Gamble.
Subscribe to my channel at Ethan's Itch.
Ethan and Colin.
YT. Z. So make sure to subscribe and you'll be part of our army.